Welcome back, everyone. You may be in a weird position where for some reason you can't just leave Instagram comments on any Instagram post. Now, this tends to happen more frequently than not, and you guys would honestly be surprised. And it typically happens for a couple of different reasons, but I think the major reason is probably that your account for some reason has been action blocked, which basically means that your account has been, tasked or tagged as basically being a little mischievous. Maybe Instagram thinks you're a spam bot or something like that. And you may just be thinking, well, I'm a human being, I'm not a spam bot. But to be honest, Instagram doesn't know the difference. And every time somebody starts a brand new Instagram account, this is typically what they do. They follow a bunch of people, they like a bunch of stuff, leave a bunch of comments. And if Instagram has the idea that you are a bot, they're going to limit some of the actions that you can do. So the real main thing you can do is, if you fit into that specific category, is to probably put your phone down, use some different apps or something like that, and just wait out a couple of minutes to a couple of hours and wait until the action blocks go away. It's not a permanent thing. You're going to be okay. You're still going to be able to comment, but Instagram may just deem your account, something weird, or maybe they need to look into your account a little bit further. So that's the very first thing I would recommend doing. Now, second of all, let's just say your Instagram account is perfectly fine. Let's say you've been using Instagram for years and now you're experiencing problems for some reason. Well, the other thing you can do is basically look into the title and the description of your Instagram bio. Now, at first, I didn't know about this. This was very weird. But on Instagram, in some cases, they'll actually go ahead and look at your bio. And if you have a weird link, or if you post a bunch of weird, unnecessary stuff that's deemed inappropriate under their guidelines, then they may actually go ahead and stop you from doing certain things. And this is another type of action block. On my specific profile, you can see I have, thousands of followers and whatever. And it looks like I'm an actual account, but I'm actually a robot. I'm totally joking, but that was such a stupid joke. Why did I even say that? But the main thing is, and the thing to keep in mind is that probably Instagram, if I leave a comment, they're not going to care because I don't comment that much or anything. But if I were to get action blocked, I would assume it's something from my bio, as I read online. Sometimes some person even on Reddit said, they had a Tumblr link in their bio and they deleted it and it ended up working. So if you have a bunch of weird links inside of your Instagram bio, or even if you have a regular link, just like my YouTube channel link, and you're getting these, action blocks, I can't comment or anything, then I'd recommend deleting those links off your Instagram bio and then actually going back and trying to leave that comment again. If that ends up working, then you're probably set. If it still causes you problems, then the best thing to do is probably to contact Instagram, which you can do by just typing in Instagram contact, and you can go ahead and send them an email that way, and that'll probably be the best way to go in this specific case. Again, like I said before, your best bet is to probably limit how many actions you're taking right now. And if you're sending a bunch of comments, then the best thing to do is probably wait. But also, if you have a bunch of weird links, or if you're not following their guidelines, their community guidelines, then this can end up causing a lot of issues in the long run. So that's really pretty much it. If you guys have any other questions or anything, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count, so it means so much if you guys can hit that. Also, check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my other channels. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.